children, how are you doing? I hope you all are fine. And today I'm here with another story, Honored by Bull. So what is there in this story, bachcho? This tale revolves around a saint who encounters a bull and learns a valuable lesson about the individual nature of every creature. तो चलिए हम भी देखते हैं क्या लेसन सीखे उन्होंने. But before that, start up, match the animals to their home. And now proceed with the story. Let's read that. A strange fair used to be organized every year in Vijaypur state, and it was strange because it used to be a fair of bulls. क्यों strange था? क्योंकि यहाँ पर ये fair था bulls का. The villagers of the neighboring villages used to collect in the fair with their stout bulls, arrange a fight between two bulls and enjoy the scene. तो बुल्स की फाइट हुआ करती थी वहाँ पर. सब अपने अपने बैल लेके बुल्स लेके आते थे और सबकी उनकी फाइट करवाते थे, है ना, और उस सीन को एंजॉय करते थे. दिस ईयर ऑल्सो अ फेयर ऑफ बुल्स हैड बीन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. There was a big crowd of thousands in the market, main market of the town. So many farmers brought at least one stout bull each with them. Just as a fight of bulls was going to be organized, a saint happened to arrive at that place. And seeing a big gathering, he inquired about the occasion. उसने पूछा, भाई चल क्या रहा है यहाँ पर, इतना भीड़ है, एंड द रीजन बिहाइंड सच अ बिग गैदरिंग, कि इतनी भीड़ की कारण क्या है बच्चों, क्या हुआ है यहाँ पर. सो वन ऑफ द फार्मर्स एक्सप्लेन टू हिम, महाराज, दिस इज अ फेयर ऑफ बुल्स एंड इट इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड हियर एवरी ईयर. सो मैनी ग्रुप्स ऑफ टू बुल्स ईच आर मेड एंड दे आर मेड टू फाइट बिटवीन देम. The winning bull is awarded loads of prizes. तो महाराज को समझाया गया कि भाई लड़ाई हो रही है बुल्स की और जो बुल जीतेगा उसको बहुत सारा इनाम मिलेगा. Is that so? said the saint with surprise and made his way through the crowd. He came forward and stood right before the arena to have a clearer view. तो उसने भीड़ में से रास्ता चीरा, आगे गया और बिल्कुल वहाँ पे जहाँ से साफ दिखाई देता है वहाँ जाके बैठ गए सेंट महाराज. The fight had started and everyone was watching it with fun. Suddenly one of the fighting bulls stopped and began to look at the saint with his gaze fixed on him. The other bull also stopped. The bull came and stood before the saint. तो उनके ऊपर जो नजरें थी उस बुल की, तो वो आके सामने खड़ा हो गया साधु महाराज के. It recoiled a few paces with its head down, ready to charge at him. But the saint thought, here is a good and intelligent animal. He has realized I am a man of merit and he is bowing to give me a salute. At least he knows how to honor a saint. उधर महाराज सोच रहे थे कि ये तो बड़ा ही इंटेलिजेंट एनिमल है, इसने पहचान लिया है कि मैं बहुत अच्छा इंसान हूँ, इसलिए मुझे सैल्यूट करने आए हैं, है ना. एक सेंट महाराज साधु महाराज को ऑनर करने आए हैं. द ओनर ऑफ द बुल वॉज क्विक टू रियलाइज दैट द सेंट वॉज फीलिंग फ्लैटर्ड. सो इन अ बिड टू अलर्ट हिम ही सेड, महाराज, प्लीज गेट आउट ऑफ इट्स वे और इट विल हिट यू. डोंट think that this bull is bowing before you in a gesture of salute. It is preparing itself to launch an attack on you. Be careful please. तो जो उसका मालिक था ना बुल का, उसने बोला, महाराज ऐसा मत सोचो कि आपको सैल्यूट करने आया है, ये आपकी बहुत इज्जत कर रहा है, ये आपको अटैक करने की आपके ऊपर कोशिश करने वाला है, तो दूर हो जाओ और केयरफुल रहो. नो नो, कम ऑन, this is a speechless creature. How will it hit anyone? It in fact wants to have my blessings. It is we human beings who torture these speechless creatures. तो उन्होंने बोला, भाई ये ऐसा जानवर नहीं है, तुम्हें क्या सोचते हो तुम? इन स्पीचलेस जानवरों की बात कहाँ समझते हो तुम? महाराज, you are forgetting that it's a bull and is violent by nature. Even God cannot change its nature. So it is the individual nature of every creature in the world that tells about it. तो उन्होंने बोला इसका तो स्वभाव ही ऐसा है वायलेंट होना, आप प्लीज इसकी तो नेचर भगवान भी चेंज नहीं कर पाए, तो आप दूर हट जाइए. मीनिंग ऑफ रिकॉइल्ड इज मूव्ड क्विकली अवे फ्रॉम समबडी. Paces means steps, charge means rush or attack, honor means to show respect. चलिए प्रोसीड करते हैं स्टोरी के लिए. No, no, you are fool. Another person standing near him said, Maharaj, these bulls are meant for fighting. Violence is there in their nature. अब ये तो बने ही लड़ाई झगड़े के लिए हैं, इनकी तो नेचर में यही लिखा है. But the saint did not listen to anyone. On the contrary, he advanced towards the bull and the bull also advanced 2 paces towards the saint. The owner of the bull tried to stop the bull, but by the time it was also too late. अब वो उनकी तरफ बढ़ा, साधु महाराज बुल की तरफ बढ़े, कोई कुछ कर ही नहीं पा रहा था. And in the twinkling of an eye, the bull took the saint on its horns and sent him rolling to the ground. वही हुआ जिसका डर था. Hey bull! The saint shrieked with pain. The saint fell face down on the ground and broke all his teeth. सारे के सारे दांत टूट के जमीन पे गिर गए. इतनी जोर से अपना सींग मारा साधु महाराज को. सब कह रहे थे हट जाओ, मान ही नहीं रहे थे. उन्हें तो अपने ऊपर पूरा विश्वास था. His mouth filled with blood. People around somehow managed to push the bull back and helping the saint stand on his feet. They said, Why Maharaj, had we not told you that bulls are violent by nature? क्या आपको बताया नहीं गया था इस बारे में कि उनकी नेचर ही ऐसी है? Yes brothers, said the saint, weaning with pain. It was indeed by mistake. You were right when you said that bulls are violent by nature. Oh God, it has broken my bones. उन्होंने कहा आप लोगों ने तो बताया था, गलती तो मेरी थी, इसने तो मेरी हड्डियां ही तोड़ दी. People pulled the saint back and gave him some water to clean his mouth. The saint took water in his mouth and kept squirting it out until his mouth became clean. Then he was offered some milk to drink. Now it had become clear to the saint that every creature has its own individual nature. भगवान ने सबको उनके व्यवहार के साथ ही नीचे बेचा है, बनाया है ना. जिसका व्यवहार जैसा है उसको पहले पहचान लो, कभी अपने मन की मत करो. तो shrieked means screamed and winning means complaining in an annoying crying voice. So समझे बच्चों आप, अपनी चलाने से पहले दूसरों की बात को भी सुन लिया जाए तो बहुत अच्छा होता है. So what we have learned based on that, let's do some exercises. Extract based question यानी take the correct option. Read the given extract from the story and answer the questions that follow. And fill in the blanks. Okay, and in D part complete the following sentences with the help of the story. E part write T for true and F for false statement, and in F part write the following questions in short and G part answer the following questions. तो short में लिखेंगे 3-4 lines में, और जो answers आपको explain करना है उन्हें थोड़ा सा description के साथ दीजिएगा. Hots, do you think you can change the basic individual nature of a person or animal? If not, then why? Play with words, match the following words with their meanings, and in J part make sentences of your own with the help of given words. Grammar in use, homophones are words that have the same sound but different spellings and meanings. For example, wait, wait. एक wait का मतलब है इंतजार करना और दूसरे wait का मतलब है weight यानी वजन. Okay, ऐसे ही C और C etc. तो now choose and write the correct homophones in the given space. Then we have write homophones for the following words. Enrich your skills by listening your teacher carefully and then speak out, find out the moral of the story and discuss in your class. And in writing part, you have find out about any activity or a sport that take place in your arena and write down a paragraph about it. Okay, and while doing this, have fun. Enjoy.